Hello dear students, how are you? Perhaps you will be fine. And I am here to represent another online class for the chapter 2 module 8 of electrostatic, and the chapter is electrostatic potential and capacitance. So in the previous topic we have studied about potential, but now in this lecture we will study about electrical capacitance of a conductor. Electrical capacitance of a conductor. So dear student, electrical capacitance, totally different topic from potential. What is electrical capacitance? The word capacitance means capacity, and the word electrical refer to charge. तो चार्ज को स्टोर करने की एबिलिटी और कैपेसिटी, यस, कैपेसिटी और एबिलिटी ऑफ ए कंडक्टर टू स्टोर द चार्ज. So always remember, very simple, means the ability of storing the charge or capacity to store the charge of a conductor is called electrical capacitance. It's very simple. Means जो capacity, हम यहाँ पर जब भी electrical word आता है तो you should know about the charge. The capacity to store the charge is called electrical capacitance of a conductor. So dear student, you know very well, हम किसी चीज को चार्ज देते हैं, क्यों देते हैं, तो definitely its potential will be raised. So when we give the charge Q directly proportional to V, as we give the charge Q, definitely potential will be raised. So Q directly proportional to V, and here we can write Q is equal to C. C is the constant. C is constant called capacitance, and that is equal to C is equal to Q by V. So dear student, electrical capacitance is also the ratio of charge to the potential. So this is the capacitance to store the charge in a conductor, and is the ratio of charge to the potential. And also we can write its SI unit. SI unit of capacitance, that is equal to farad. So SI unit of capacitance is farad, and farad is the ratio, you know very well, Q by V. Q is the charge and the SI unit of charge is coulomb per volt. So, and also 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb per 1 volt. So capacitance is said to be 1 farad when 1 coulomb charge increased the potential by 1 volt or raised the potential by 1 volt, and that is called as 1 farad capacitance. Right? So that's a very simple topic. And also in the topic we can find out the electrical capacitance of a spherical charge conductor. Electrical capacitance of a spherical charged conductor. This is a conductor which is spherical in size. We can find out its capacity to store the charge, and the capacity to store the charge is called capacitance. So dear student, here let us consider a spherical conductor, spherical object, बिल्कुल spherical है definitely, and a charge plus Q is distributed because conductor के surface पे charge आता है always. So and R is the radius, O is the center, and total charge Q that is uniformly distributed over its surface. So you know, dear student, for any charge there should be potential. And what is the formula of potential? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that charge by distance. So here, you know, potential, electric potential at any point on the surface, V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R, and also the charge Q, right? KQ by R. But you know, we will have to find out here the capacitance, and we know the formula of capacitance, C is equal to Q by V. Q is the total charge and V is the total potential. So here C is equal to Q by V. What is the Q? Q is the total charge. And what is the formula of V? Q down upward 4 pi epsilon naught R. Q is cancelled. So capacitance can be find out with the help of this formula. 4 pi epsilon naught R, and R earth. We can find out the capacitance of our अर्थ का भी कैपेसिटेंस निकाल सकते हैं 4 पाई कांस्टेंट, एप्सिलॉन नॉट आल्सो कांस्टेंट, r radius of the earth we know very well, 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6. By putting the value we can find out the capacity of earth. So this is the electrical capacitance. Capacitance is the ratio of charge to the volt, and with the help of capacitance we can find out the capacity to store the charge. Now come on the main topic of capacitance. What is capacitance? That is capacitor. So dear friend, please give full attention towards me. Capacitor. Do you know what is capacitor? बड़े काम की चीज है कैपेसिटी वाला टर्म, कैपेसिटर, और you can say condenser. What is condenser? डिस्टेंट बताता हूं थोड़ा सा आपको. कैपेसिटर इतने काम की चीज होती है, आपको पता है, जैसे इस टाइप का इन दिस शेप, एक स्फेरिकल भी हो सकता है, पैरेलल प्लेट भी हो सकता है, दो वायर जाते हैं, दो प्लेट होती हैं, अंदर इंसुलेटेड मीडियम होता है इनके बीच में. तो सबसे बड़ी चीज जो कैपेसिटर के अंदर निकल के आती है, ये पंखे के अंदर ना व्हाइट ये ऊपर लगा होता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर में भी, सेल्फ स्टार्ट बाइक में मेन चीज है. फैन को जो मोशन, स्टार्टिंग मोशन, बिकॉज कैपेसिटी देता है, स्टोर करता है चार्ज को, एनर्जी को स्टोर करता है, एंड आफ्टर स्टोरिंग द एनर्जी एंड चार्जिंग इट विल हेल्प दैट एनर्जी टू मूव द फैन. इनिशिएट करता है उसको, दैट इज कैपेसिटर. इट इज एन अरेंजमेंट. It is an arrangement to store the charge and hence energy. So capacitor used to store the charge, and hence energy. Charge is stored because and charge is stored in the form of energy. So capacitor is a very useful thing to store the charge. Definitely it is arrangement of two conductors separated by an insulated medium. Separated by insulated medium, two plates, and the symbol of capacitor is this. Two plates, they may be spherical, they may be simple parallel plate. So but the symbol is that there is two plates, both are charged, one is positively charged and another is negatively charged. This is the symbol of a capacitor, right? दो simple plate बीच में insulated medium and that is called as capacitor. वो शेप अलग हो सकती है उसकी, बट कैपेसिटर यही होता है. इट इज द कैपेसिटी टू स्टोर द चार्ज. सो व्हाट इज इट्स प्रिंसिपल? काम क्या होता है कैपेसिटर का? टू स्टोर द चार्ज, कैपेसिटी टू स्टोर द चार्ज. एंड व्हाट इज इट्स प्रिंसिपल? सो डियर स्टूडेंट, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट्स प्रिंसिपल वेरी केयरफुली. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. Its principle. Why we use capacitor? Again I tell you, हमारी इच्छा होती है कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा चार्ज को स्टोर करें कैपेसिटर के अंदर. सो जिसमें जितना ज्यादा चार्ज स्टोर हो जाएगा कैपेसिटर उतना ही अच्छा, क्योंकि कैपेसिटी है, कैपेसिटर का मतलब ही कैपेसिटी होती है टू स्टोर द चार्ज. एंड हाउ कैन वी स्टोर द चार्ज? सिंपली. सो प्लीज listen me carefully and understand the principle of a capacitor. This is a positively charged plate. This is a medium which is totally insulated and in which no current is passed. But this is a metal plate which is coated by an insulated medium. So it is fully charged positively. C is equal to V naught Q by V. चार्ज है तो पोटेंशियल भी होगा डेफिनेटली. एट पॉजिटिव इज हायर पोटेंशियल एंड नेगेटिव इज लोअर पोटेंशियल. सो दिस इज ए सिंगल प्लेट. व्हेन वी bring an uncharged plate here. In the first chapter, dear student, you have no induction. By induction method, because every material, every matter, every element, there is two type, every proton and neutron is uncharged. Number of proton that is equal to number of electron. So this positively charged will attract negative charge and repel positively charged. So what is this? Simply here, this negative charge has reduced the potential of charged plate. How? Because this is fully charged positively. When negative terminal comes to it, definitely पॉजिटिव को कौन कम करता है? नेगेटिव. आप बहुत बिल्कुल एक मोटिवेशन के साथ कुछ काम करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, आपकी सोच वेरी हाई है, बहुत ही पॉजिटिव है. बट क्या होता है स्टूडेंट, सपोज करो मेरी सोच बहुत हाई है, बड़ा मोटिवेट होकर कि मुझे ये काम करना है, दैट इज वेरी स्ट्रांगली डिजायर्ड. बट अचानक मेरा फ्रेंड आराम से बोला, यार क्या तेरे से बस का कुछ नहीं होना, कुछ है रहने दे, इसको छोड़ दो, बस बिना बात का टाइम वेस्ट करना है. तो बड़ा मतलब उसने नेगेटिव फीडबैक दी, मुझे डिमोटिवेट कर दिया, और जिससे क्या होगा, मेरा तो पोटेंशियल ही खत्म होगा, छोड़ना ही होगा मेरे से. सो व्हेन नेगेटिव चार्ज is in the contact of positively, definitely it will reduce its potential, definitely 100%. But another thing is that अगर मैं कहा उसी काम के लिए जाना मोटिवेट हो, मुझे कोई हाँ मैं चल तू, तो मेरा साथ दे, डेफिनेटली आई विल बी हाईली मोटिवेटेड एंड द पोटेंशियल विल बी रेज्ड वेरी हाईली. एंड दिस पॉजिटिवली चार्ज क्या करेगा? दिस विल इंक्रीज द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस प्लेट. सो इसका भी इलाज करना होगा यहाँ पे. एंड व्हाट विल वी डू? सिंपल फर्स्ट नीड अर्थिंग. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, जब इसको अर्थिंग करते हैं, when we earthing this plate, this diagram becomes like this, positively plate, positively, and here negative. Now earthing is removed. By remove earthing, the total charge positively gone to the earth. So what will happen? पॉजिटिवली जिसने इसके पोटेंशियल को इंक्रीज करने की कोशिश की वो तो अर्थ में चला गया. This happens here. So again, I remember you, when a positively charged plate, when uncharged plate is brought in the contact of positively charged plate, so it will reduce its potential. When we earth it, it will decrease its potential. By earthing, decrease its potential. हमें यही करना था. We want that potential should be decreased. If potential should be decreased, what will happen? I will tell you. Again, you should listen me carefully. This principle very easy. Total capacitance काम करेगा इस पे. This is a positively charged plate. When we bring uncharged plate in the contact of this positively charged, the positively will attract negative, and negative charge will closer to it, and positive will at a distance. So it will reduce its potential, and then we earth it, and with the help of this extra, the charge, same charge is earthed, means sharing of charge with the earth. Earth can take this charge inside it. So then only negative is remained in the contact of this, and this negative potential definitely will decrease a lot of potential of this charge plate. And we know very well C is equal to Q by V, and C is inversely proportional to V. The potential को क्या किया? Potential is decreased. If potential is decreased, so dear student, definitely capacitance will be increased. हम यही तो चाहते थे. हम किसी भी चार्ज कंडक्टर की कैपेसिटी हाउ कैन वी इंक्रीज? We can increase the capacity of a charged conductor by bringing an uncharged plate in the uncharged conductor in the contact of a charged conductor, and earth the uncharged conductor. It will reduce its potential. If it will reduce its potential, definitely charge will be increased. So this is the principle of capacitor. So do you know about the capacitor arrangement to store the charge? चार्ज कैसे स्टोर होगा? जब इसके पोटेंशियल को हम क्या करेंगे? डिक्रीज. ऐसा ही तो कैपेसिटेंस आल्सो फैराड, क्योंकि कैपेसिटेंस से ही वर्ड निकला कैपेसिटर. कैपेसिटेंस तो स्टोर कंडक्टर की कैपेसिटी, बट कैपेसिटर उसी का बनता है, उसी को कैपेसिटर कंडेंसर जिसको बोला जाता है. हम नॉर्मल कहते हैं कि पंखा कंडेंसर भरा हुआ, कंडेंसर बदल दो. सो दैट कंडेंसर इज कॉल्ड एज कैपेसिटर. सो दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. Capacitor. One plate is positively and one is negatively, and this is the symbol of capacitor. And if we can use this is the variable. Variable means whose capacity, whose value is constantly changed. So dear student, this is all about the capacitor. Perhaps you will have to practice the capacitor, and you will have to read it very carefully. This medium is insulated, right? So thank you for today. Thanks.